Assalamu alaikum students. I hope by blessings of Allah you all are fine. As you know me, I am your maths teacher, and in this video we will learn about the topic addition. First, let me tell you about addition. The method of calculating two or more numbers to know the sums of numbers. It is called addition. Let me explain you. We have 25 long books and 32 small books, and we have to calculate here how many books are there at a time on a table. Now we will write first 25 and then 32, and we will add both numbers. The sign we will add. When we add 5 and 2, answer will be 7, and when we add 2 and 3, answer will be 5. Means that when we add 25 and 32, answer will be 57. Means that there are 57 books together. Now let me tell you the terms used in addition. Now students, the numbers which we add are called addend, first addend and second addend, and the number which we get after adding, it is called the sum. Here you can see we can use some words. In all, altogether, total and sum, both words are used for addition. Now let me give you one another example. We have two numbers 73 and 18. Now we have to add both numbers. Here first we will add the places of ones and then tens. When we add 8 and 3, answer will be 11. Here we will write 1 at the place of ones and second one at the place of tens. Now we will add second numbers. When we add 7 and 1, answer will be 8. And in 8, we will have to add one more, answer will be 9. Means that the total of 73 and 18 is 91. Now let me give you one more example. We have 4 digits number. Ones, tens, hundred and thousand. 2150, and with this we have to add again 4 digits number 1150. Students, for adding these numbers we will add first the ones place values. After adding the ones place, we will add the values of 10 place and then 100 place and then the values of 1000 place. Means that here we will add numbers from right to left, ones to 1000. Now let's start adding numbers. First we will add ones values. 0 plus 0 will be 0. 5 plus 5 will be tens. Here we will move ones towards the place of 100. Now we will add the values of 100. When we add the values of 100, there are 1 and 1 plus 2. But in 2 we will have to add one more. When we add 2 and 1, answer will be 3. Now last we will have to add the values of 1000. When we add 2 and 1, answer will be 3. Means that the sum of 2150 and 1150 is 3300. Now it's time to know about subtraction. Subtraction is the operation of taking the difference of two numbers. The expression is read minus. First, let me tell you the method to writing the numbers in subtraction. The first rule is, in the given two numbers, find out which is greater and which is smaller. The second is, arrange the numbers in column putting the greater number on the top and the smaller number below that. Third is, subtract ones from ones, tens from tens, hundreds from hundreds, and finally thousands from the thousands below. Now let me give you one example. We have to subtract numbers 4521 from 6852. Here 6852 is the greatest number, that's why we will write upside, and second number we will write downside according to their right places. Now we will start from right side, means from ones. When we minus 2 and 1, answer will be 1. Now we will subtract the values of tens 5 and 2. When we minus 5 and 2, answer will be 3. Now we will subtract the values of 100, means 8 and 5. When we subtract 8 and 5, answer is 3. Now we will subtract the values of 1000, means 6 and 4. And when we subtract 6 and 4, answer is 2. Means the difference between 6852 and 4521 is 2331. Let me give you second example in which 5852 is greater number and 3625 is small number. So we will write the greater number upside and the small number downside. Now we will start subtracting numbers, but we know that 2 is a small number and 5 is greater number, so we cannot subtract 5 from 2. For that we will borrow. When we will borrow from tens to 2, 2 will become 12, and then we will subtract 12 and 5, answer will be 7. 5 gave 1 to 2, that's why 5 has become 4. Now we will subtract the values of tens. When we subtract 4 and 2, answer will be 2. Now it's time to subtract the values of hundreds. Now we will subtract 8 and 6, answer will be 2. Now it's time to subtract the values of thousands, and when we subtract 5 and 3, the difference between both number will be 2. Means that the difference between both number is 2227. Now let me tell you the terms used in subtraction. The number from which the number is being subtracted, it is called minuend. The number which is being subtracted, it is called subtrahend. And the answer which we get after subtraction, this answer will be called difference. Taken away, left, how many more are needed, remained, difference, and given away, all are terms which are used for subtraction. Students, I hope you have gotten today's topic. It is your home task. One more thing, this topic has not been completed. Remember me in your special periods. Allah Hafiz.